Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods here, and I know this looks a bit odd, but it's been raining every day. It's 5:30 at night and it's raining heavy at the moment, so I'm trying to get a video done. This is the Uberleben Hexa fire steel. I'm going to put up pictures and everything. It's six-sided, it's 6 inches long, and it's a very interesting one. I never used this before, so I'm going to use different tinders now and then see how this is different from a round ferro rod. Right, so I'm going to use the striker it came with, and we're going to take the coating off first. And I brought different tinders with me, and we're going to see how many sparks it comes off and how many strikes it takes to light stuff. There's still lots of coating on this. Okay, this I wasn't getting on with too well. But instead of that striker, I'm going to use my Garberg instead. What I noticed on this is the sparks. So here you are. Yeah. So the sparks, they bounce. It's a good amount of sparks coming off that. Right, so obviously this is going to light. Still, you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. There's still lots of coating on it I need to get off. All right, so we can light that, no problem. All right, so that no problem again. One of the things is that I can't see which side I've done because of the burn of lighting the ferro rod. So let's see. So I'm going to use the right of the hole here for the lanyard. You can see how the sparks bounce. Hope I'm catching this, but it's a good amount of sparks. Right, got a bit of that wax paper. I'm not gonna do the whole thing because that's be a waste. Actually, I probably shouldn't. Scrape this up just to see if it's going to light it as is. Let's try that. Right, so I'm going to the right of the hole, so I'm going to use this side here because that looks like it's been used. So down, yep, there it goes. There's a little bit of a technique to get into it, but once you get it down, pretty good. Now I don't need any more rods really. The reason I got this is because it is hexagon. I don't have one of those, and I saw it on Instagram originally, so I just wanted to try it. For this ferro rod here, $32. I forgot what that equals to in pounds. I'll throw it on the board. I've used this a lot just in this video here, and there's still a chunk of it. There's no grooves. There shouldn't be anywhere, but I think I used about 2, maybe 3 sides of it. I couldn't see what I was doing. But no, the sparks, I notice that when you use one of the cheaper ones or the round ones, the sparks hit and that's it. With this one, they actually do bounce along a little bit, which means that you have more of a chance of lighting a fire. The tinder I did use tonight, you know, it was dry because I keep it in the bag because like I said, it's been raining, so I have to like grab what I can when I see it. The striker I didn't like, so this was quite handy, and you can see I did use it heavily tonight. I'm not going to say buy it, I'm not going to say not buy it, it's up to you. I'm not pushing a product on you. Like I said, I bought it, so I'm just giving you like an open view, or if you've seen these on Instagram, which is where I saw it from, and you want to know how it works, there it is. I'll put it in my bag. I'll test it out a bit more as soon as I can get the chance to go out. But yeah, I'm going to review. I have this one, but I also have, oh yeah, this is, I got to show this at some point. Actually, I'll show you briefly now. I've been using this recently. It's a ribs pack, so I can just toss all my stuff in here and then bring it with me if I want to review anything without having to bring a ruck with me. So I'm making a keychain type fire starter, but this one is what I want to test. That's ridiculous. This is the biggest ferro rod I own. Just to give you an idea, that's my thumb covering it. So I will do that in a future video. Not tonight, because my battery is not doing too well in this cold weather. Right, so again, I'll put details on the screen. I'll put them in the description box below. Let me know what you think. I will do a few more tests on this, and yeah, it seems to be alright. I like the way the sparks fly on that. Look forward to my videos. I pop up some other videos here I've done recently. I'm messing around with Filmora as well, so hopefully my editing gets a little bit better. But yeah, so I'll catch you guys next video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.